Hey there, homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to SkilledHub, your go-to source for home improvement tips and tricks. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bathroom renovations. Planning how to renovate your bathroom and executing the project can be an exciting journey that adds a personal touch to one of the most used rooms in your house. Every aspect of your bathroom can be upgraded to make it more appealing to the eye and more functional for you and your family. And here's an interesting tidbit. There's no better area to focus your attention on home renovations if you want to get the best return on your investment. According to the National Association of Realtors, a bathroom remodel can recoup approximately 60% of the cost of the renovation. So, stick with us as we guide you through the process of creating your dream bathroom. Before you can even think about how to renovate your bathroom, the first step is creating a solid plan, and that starts with setting a budget. Your budget will help you assess what you can accomplish, what supplies you'll need, and whether you'll require professional help. It's essential to plan this out meticulously to avoid surprises down the road. It is recommended to put a 6-month plan in place for bathroom renovations to ensure everything goes smoothly. Now that you have your budget and timeline in place, let's delve into some essential tips for a successful bathroom renovation. First and foremost, when it comes to bathroom remodeling, it often requires various types of contractors such as plumbers, electricians, carpenters, and cleaning services. It's crucial to hire skilled professionals for these tasks. Hiring a general contractor who can manage these various services can save you time and hassle. They can also recruit subcontractors if needed, making your life easier. Now, let's talk storage. Bathrooms can be challenging when it comes to storage, so consider innovative solutions like vertical shelving or movable hampers and baskets. When it comes to cabinets, opt for modern designs with neutral colors and moisture-resistant wood to suit the bathroom environment. Moving on to fixtures, the bathtub you choose can significantly impact your bathroom's functionality and aesthetics. Some prefer space-saving options, while others go for elegance with clawfoot tubs. And don't forget about upgrading the shower with frameless glass enclosures and multiple shower heads. Countertops and sinks can add tremendous value to your bathroom. Consider stone countertops for a spa-like look and creative solutions like repurposing old dressers with pedestal sinks. Updating faucets and hardware can give your bathroom a fresh and cohesive look. Choose complementary styles to maintain harmony in your bathroom design. Let's talk tiles. Bathroom tiles can be a significant investment, so choose wisely. To save money, focus on strategic tile placement rather than tiling the entire floor. Consider using pricier tiles as accents alongside more budget-friendly options. Keep in mind that tile color and characteristics should coordinate with the overall bathroom design. And if you're thinking about heated floors, plan for it in advance to avoid unnecessary costs later. When it comes to amenities, lighting can be a game-changer. Upgrading your vanity mirror lighting and adding adjustable lighting for the bathtub can enhance your bathroom experience. A modern ventilation system is essential to control humidity and moisture in the bathroom. It not only prevents mold but also maintains air quality. Don't forget about the little details. Updating fixtures, painting with mold-resistant, high-quality paint, and paying attention to grout and caulk can make a big difference. Finally, consider making your bathroom more eco-friendly. Low-flow sinks, shower heads, and toilets are cost-effective and environmentally conscious choices. Automatic light switches, repurposing or purchasing used products, and investing in energy-efficient options are all part of the green bathroom trend. In conclusion, renovating your bathroom is a rewarding journey that can add value to your home and enhance your daily life. Remember to plan meticulously, choose the right professionals, and focus on smart design and eco-friendly options to create your dream bathroom. If you're new to bathroom renovations, check out our beginner's guide on how to renovate the bathroom to get started with your project. Thanks for joining us on SkilledHub. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement inspiration. Have questions or tips to share? Leave a comment below, and let's keep the renovation conversation going. Until next time, happy renovating.